Hello and welcome to Quick Learn Photography, straight to the point videos that teach you everything that I've learned in over 10 years of professional photography. I'm James, and in this one we're going to talk about getting creative with your photography, and one of the main reasons for that is to stand out and to get noticed. So I'm going to talk about some of the things that I've done in the past and some of the ways it held me back by not being creative, okay, and talk about some bits and bobs. So when you start learning photography, and if you want to start learning, check out all my previous videos. I've started right from the beginning. Hopefully I'll help you on your way with photography when it comes to all sorts. But when you start doing photography, it's a real skill to learn. There's so many variables to learn with the camera, with all the dials, the settings, the lenses, the shutter speeds, the apertures, the ISOs, the white balance, the focus, blah, 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 blah. It goes on and on. Then lighting as well, like off-camera flash, on-camera flash, balancing it, reflecting it, all sorts of stuff. Okay, so there's so much technical things to learn when it comes to photography. And what happened to me was I was getting so really like attention to detail on the lighting, on the focus, on how the image was lit, colored, everything. I kind of started to lose a little bit of making the image interesting or making it stand out. So by all means learn all that sort of stuff. It's fantastic and it's great to learn it, but never forget to get a bit creative as well. So here's a story for you. So I was doing photography for quite a long time. I was really up in my game with portrait work and all kinds of things. I used to do weddings for a long time. Some of those went quite well, but yeah, I was really concentrating on portrait work and lighting the subject really well, making it all look very cool and everything. And it was good. It was really, really good. And then I remember one thing, one of the main ones that got me noticed is a weird shoot I did years ago. It was the guy's idea. He come up with the idea of getting a second-hand suit, going in the sea. I lived near the coast. It was a hot summer's day. And I think we saw something online of a Hollywood star doing the same in a river or something. So we just did that. And we went in the sea, or he went in the sea, and just started doing this stuff, wearing this suit in the sea. And there was a beach full of people watching. The light was really good. I used a really, really old camera. It's this one here, my favorite camera, the Nikon D700. It's not worth a lot of money at all, but it's a fantastic, fantastic camera. So we just did it for fun. And that taught me a massive lesson. So I started to put it online, social media, just I had fun shooting this beach shoot, even on LinkedIn. That got massively noticed, the feedback I've got from that, because perhaps some of the previous photos I'd been doing, they'll be like, yeah, that's good, it's corporate, it's commercial, it's portrait, very interesting, very nice, good lighting, good photo, but didn't really stand out. That one, they're like, what the heck is that? Like, what's this? And so many people gravitated towards it, and you can see it by the likes and the views and stuff like that. It was a bit crazy. It wasn't too off the wall, but it made the image stand out. And bearing in mind, I didn't use expensive equipment, no fancy lighting, nothing, just an old camera, but it really stood out. I put some on LinkedIn, and one person noticed it. They were scrolling through and they're like, it made them look twice, because I spoke to them later. They went, what is that? That looks really cool. So they looked at the photos, like, that's really fun. That's great. It stood out. Then they went on my website, liked the rest of the work I was doing, booked me for a job, booked me for 2 or 3 more jobs. A constant flow of jobs I've been getting from that company. They've recommended me to other people. I've got jobs from them, and so on and so on. And it just starts branching out. And it all came from him noticing that crazy shot that was on social media. So that made me really learn, like, get creative. So personal projects are really good for this. Like, you know, you may be doing your niche of work, whatever it is, but every now and then think, well, I'm going to do something with no money involved, and I'm going to get creative. And you have to get these projects out there and do stuff that stands out a little bit more. And it's something that I need to do more of, but I'm pretty busy with my normal sort of stream of work, which isn't really creative a lot of the time, because that's not what they're paying for. But if you want to stand out, I wish I did something like that, but a long, long time ago, it would have stood out more and it might have reached more people. And it doesn't matter about the quality of the image so much. You can even use a phone to do this. Get creative, come up with some ideas, put stuff out there that really, really stands out. You don't have to have thousands of pounds worth of gear, just an old camera. In fact, all the range these days is getting these little cheap point and shoots secondhand and using them because they've got that kind of retro feel to it. But get creative. So start planning some projects perhaps when you're thinking about stuff, or you've got a bit of time if you're driving or something. So if you think of something creative, make a note of it, and then later on think, let's do that when the light's right or whatever. But just get a bit creative, and things like that really, really stand out. I did do some creative stuff when I was doing wedding photography, which stood out, and a few of those got noticed as well. So the same principle applies, and it made people look at my wedding services, and I got lots of bookings from that. So it applies to that as well. But yeah, just my advice, get creative. And that crazy shoot with the beach wearing a suit really stood out, and it got me lots and lots of work, and it got me noticed, and agencies noticed it as well, and things like that. So yeah, get creative. That's my advice, and I hope it helped. So if you want any more coaching at all, like if you want to work with me one-to-one, I'm doing online coaching. It's a service I'm offering. So hit the link below, get in touch, and we can have a discovery call or an email about what it is you're after. And if it's in my capability to help you with your photography, whatever it is, then let me know and we can go from there. So yeah, get some ideas, get out there, get creative, get noticed. And yeah, I hope this video helped.